Biohacking.
New era of biohacking.
To live longer.
Biohacking.
What if you could control your biology as easily as an app on a smartphone or a tablet?
Imagine having the power to enhance your memory, turbocharge your energy, or even slow down the aging process, all through science.
This isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie, it's the promise of biohacking. But here's the thing, the world of biohacking is full of wild claims.
Some promise near magical benefits, while others sound downright dangerous.
So how do you separate the truly transformative from the total nonsense? Well, today we're taking a deep dive into the world of biohacking,
exploring the hacks that actually work, debunking the pseudoscience, and uncovering future breakthroughs that could change your life.
Stick around because what you might learn today could help redefine how you think about your body. Before we get into the hacks, let's define exactly what we mean when we talk about biohacking.
At its core, biohacking is about taking charge of your biology, using science, technology, and sometimes unconventional methods to enhance your health and performance.
But here's the twist, biohacking is anything but new.
Think back to the 1960s, when astronauts used specialized diets and training regimens to push human limits. Or even further, fasting, herbal medicine, and meditation have been biohacks for centuries.
What's changed is that now we are armed with cutting-edge technology and deeper scientific insights. Why does this matter? Well, because the stakes are higher than ever.
Modern life bombards us with stress, poor diets, and sedentary habits.
Biohacking offers us a way to fight back, whether it's reversing burnout or helping us to live healthier for longer.
These tools could help unlock human potential.
But remember, with great power always comes great responsibility. Biohacking is a broad field ranging from the practical to the downright futuristic. Here are some of the most surprising and exciting biohacks shaping our future.
The gut-brain axis revolution. Did you know that trillions of bacteria in your gut might influence your mood and your focus? Scientists are discovering that probiotics could help with depression and anxiety, communicating with your brain through the vagus nerve.
The idea of hacking mental health with gut-friendly foods is only getting started.
Forget one-size-fits-all diets. AI is now analyzing DNA, microbiomes, and lifestyle data to recommend diets tailored to individual needs. For example, some apps predict how specific foods will impact your blood sugar, helping you optimize meals for energy and longevity.
What if you could reverse aging at the cellular level?
Scientists like Dr. Shinya Yamanaka are experimenting with epigenetic reprogramming, a technique that resets your cells to a younger state.
Early animal studies show promising results in reversing tissue damage and extending lifespan. So the secret to living to 150 years of age could already be in your DNA.
Smartwatches and rings aren't just fitness trackers anymore. Emerging devices can detect early signs of illness, like changes in heart rate variability that precede infections or even heart attacks.
Some startups are even creating implants that help monitor chronic conditions in real time.
Imagine healing wounds or regenerating nerves using tiny electrical currents. Some startups are even creating implants to monitor chronic conditions in real time. Bioelectric medicine is pioneering ways to tap into your body's electrical signals to accelerate recovery. Let's break down the science behind biohacking's most effective practices. These aren't just trends, they are rooted in measurable biological mechanisms. Intermittent fasting is one of the most popular biohacks, and it's all about triggering autophagy. This process clears out damaged cells,
reducing the risk of chronic diseases and potentially extending lifespan and health span.
Biohacks like cold water exposure, heat therapy, and high-intensity exercise work through hormesis, a process where short bursts of stress trigger your body to adapt and grow stronger.
Nootropics like L-theanine and caffeine and the practice of meditation can help enhance the brain's neuroplasticity, that is, its ability to create new neural connections, which helps enhance learning, memory, and even emotional resilience. Now, not everything labeled a biohack is backed by science, so let's debunk some of the most popular myths. Detox teas. These claim to flush toxins, but your liver and your kidneys already handle detoxification pretty well. In fact, most detox teas act as laxatives and thereby cause dehydration, damaging the intestines. Magnet therapy. Despite claims of reducing pain or improving energy, magnets have no proven physiological effects beyond a placebo effect. Quantum healing devices. Products like energy stickers exploit buzzwords like quantum but offer no basis in science. So how do you differentiate between the science and the pseudoscience when it comes to biohacking? Well, here's a useful checklist. Are there any peer-reviewed studies? Look for the studies in reputable journals. Anecdotal evidence is not enough. Who's selling it? If a product promises a miracle but only cites its own studies, well then be cautious. Independent validation is absolutely key. What do the experts say? Seek out the opinions of credible scientists or medical professionals. And does it sound too good to be true? Claims like cures all ailments and instant results should send up instant red flags. By applying these principles, you can absolutely invest in your health without falling for the hype.
So what's next in the future of biohacking? The biohacking frontier is expanding rapidly. Here are some innovations that could define the future. AI-augmented bodies. From brain-computer interfaces like Neuralink to prosthetics that restore full sensory function, AI is enabling new forms of human-machine integration. Synthetic biology. Scientists are designing entirely new biological systems, like microbes that live in your gut and produce vitamins on demand. Senolytics, the targeting of aging cells. Drugs that remove zombie cells could help reduce inflammation and improve organ function as we age, and early studies are showing promising results. Biohacking is an exciting but complicated world. It offers real opportunities to improve health and performance, but also demands skepticism and responsibility. So here's the takeaway. If you're interested in biohacking, start small. Always focus on evidence-based practices like optimizing sleep, diet, and exercise. And always question bold claims because science is the ultimate hack.